So hey guys, welcome back to another video. We have finally received another package which we are going to install in our bike. So let's head to our local garage shop and we'll start working on it there. So see you around. So finally this package has been arrived to our local garage. Without further ado, let's start installing it. So this is the lever clutch. And here is our brake reservoir with the brake lever. Looks neat. We will first start with the easy one. First we'll remove the clutch lever because it's easier as compared to the brake lever. We'll start it by removing the bar end, then we'll remove the grips, then the switch, and then the clutch assembly will come off. There we go. So here comes the new one. Unpacking. Looks way better than those silver ones, silver stock ones. Loosen up the bolt so that it can go easily. Putting back those switches. So after the switches, it's time to put back the grip on. There we go. So these are the only two screws which are holding your clutch lever into the place. Tighten them, secure them into the place, and you are good to go. हम लोगों ने केबल इंस्टॉल कर दिया था, but we are removing it again because that cover there you can see, yeah, that one, it was not looking good. बिल्कुल भी अच्छा नहीं लग रहा था, so we are trying to remove that so that it can look good aesthetically. So this was the cover I was talking about. Finally removed. Then now we'll put that wire back. Put the clutch wire adjustment to the proper setting. So guys, you will require one alteration, which is the switch you can see. This is to prevent starting the bike into the gear if it happens. So पुराने वाले में ये जो है, it is fixed, you cannot remove this. So we did this alteration. You'll have to take a wire. This will goes into the female jack, and this is the male jack which will. This is the male jack which will connect right here. So this goes up. And the female ones will go right there. Here's the importance of this clip. What this does is it will let you start your bike in any gear with the lever, with the clutch lever pressed. And if you remove this clip, well, you can start your bike only in neutral gear. Let me show you. With the wire removed, it will not start until you put it in the neutral. And once you plug the cable, it will start. So that's how it works. So this side, it's not much hassle because you don't have to pull those grips out. You just have to unscrew these two bolts and then the brake will come off. So this one screw is holding our brake wire. Unscrew that and remove the brake wire. Be very careful of that brake fluid. So there are some clips which you have to unplug, brake clips. This switch you can see, this is the brake light switch, which will have to connect into those two wires. Here comes the new assembly. So carefully put the sequence. One washer will be inside and the another washer will be outside this brake wire. Put it back. Secure it with a good amount of force on it, but don't over tighten it because it might result into some damage to the brake wire. This is the clamp which will hold our brake oil reservoir into the place. Here comes the brake reservoir. We'll secure that with the help of this screw. There are actually two holes but only one screw. The another one is for the inbuilt clamp. It gets locked. It gets locked, as you can see there. So our last step is to refill the brake reservoir, the master cylinder. And now we are using the .4 brake oil. You'll have to bleed it properly. That's the important point. So if there's any air bubble left inside, it will lead to spongy brake feel. So make sure you remove all of it. Take your time. So here is the complete look with the master cylinder. We installed the rubber safety and the cap. And this thing holds the cap into the place. Doesn't it look good? To me, it looks much better than the stock ones. Here it is how it looks. Take a good look at it. To me, it looks very good. I mean, well, there are some flaws and there is some good points of it. So let me show you one by one. Start with the pros of it. It looks good. Aesthetically, it looks good, as I told you earlier also. And apart of it, nothing. You have no use of it apart from the good looks. Focus. Yeah. So apart from the good looks, you have no use of it. And in terms of feel, it feels good. No feedback issues and all. Nothing. So that's it for the pros of it. Now let's come to the cons of it. At a price of rupees 3,000 including the shipping and installation, I feel it's quite good, not bad at all. But it could have been a little better. And the problems I've faced are, as you can see, this is a little bent. So what I'm gonna do is change this one with the steel braided ones, so it might feel and look good. The another thing is, you can see this holder right here. I had issue with the threading of this, so I had to buy this converter so that my mirror fits perfectly with this. And what else? Yeah, this wire right here, it was permanently attached to the stock ones, so I changed this one into like the desi jugaad. We cut the another wires, attached this sockets into the another wire, and we did the thing. So if you want to buy this, and if you think that this looks good, give this video a thumbs up. The purchase link will be down there in the description. So if you think that this looks good, and if you think the video is informative, don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe to the channel. And more videos are coming up, it's in the pipeline. So till then, see you later. Bye bye.